This is your Duo Lift AST infield timing procedure. Let's align, lock in, and get ready to haul. Start by installing the turn stop lock on the front axle. Raise the trailer, support with stands. Tires should hang about 1 inch off the ground. Remove all wheels and loosen all jam nuts on all tie rods. Mount the steering alignment bar onto the hub. Aero and relief surface facing rearward and outward, marked in white. Secure with the supplied nuts, hand tight. Measure from the frame to the rear machined edge. Then measure to the front non-machined edge. Adjust until both are equal. Tighten jam nuts, making sure the tie rod pole does not rotate. Tighten jam nuts, making sure the tie rod pole does not rotate. Repeat the full timing procedure on the remaining axle hubs. Adjust the tie rod connecting front and rear axles until both measurements match. Lock down the jam nuts. Again, no rotation. Repeat the full timing procedure on the remaining axle hubs. Remove the front axle, turn stop lock. Reinstall all wheels and torque the lug nuts per the owner's manual. Remove axle stands. Lower trailer to the ground. Your trailer is timed, locked, and ready for the field. Duo Lift. Built to perform. Built to last.